Jag säger det ska klappa. Still ringing in my head. Your shallow surface. Beheaded beauty in my bed. Hi there. Beautiful summer weather here in Sweden. Late April. It is snowing and the spring is far, far away. Well, it has snowed all night and this morning, and I don't know when it will stop, but they say that it's gonna be good weather soon enough. So I really hope so for my pepper's sake. Let's head over to my greenhouse. This is how it looks like. I have to take the broom and scrape away the snow that lies on the roof. So the snow came off. Looking like this now. So I hope this bad cold weather with temperatures below 30s will soon be gone. Well, this is the other side. Looks like this. Still snowing. Me signing out. In Heat I Trust. Take care. Be good. Goodbye.